Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you some of the tricks, tips and customization in Zerodha Kite. Okay, so this will be very handy and helpful for you when you're doing intraday trading. Okay, so let me start off with a lot of tricks and tips in this video. So firstly, starting with the first trick about market watch list. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is our market watch list and there's a lot of tricks for this. Okay, so I'll show you that. Okay, if you come down here at the last, you can see a star icon, so that's a setting button. So if you go there, you can find a lot of useful settings there. Okay, so that is market watch setting. So if you just click on that, you get a lot of option, that is sort by. Okay, so first option is sort by and second is change and next is change format, and then you get few options, so that I'll explain you in this video. Okay, so first thing is sort by. Okay, so if you click on sort by, what happens is whatever stocks you have in this watch list will get sorted by A to Z in sort by alphabetic way. Okay, so alphabetically it will get sorted, and next is sort by change, percentage change. So as you can see here, every stock will show a percentage change, so according to that it will get sorted here. Okay, so if you just click that sort by, see, you can see that percentage change. And next is sort by LTP, that is last traded price, and sort by exchange. So let's say you have a lot of stocks in one watch list, that is MCX, and also you have NSE stocks, and also if you have BSE stock, everything will be mixed. So if you click this sort by exchange button, so everything will get sorted like NSE, BSE and MCX. Okay, so that is used for sorting. And next comes change. Okay, so as you guys can see here, so every stock will get sorted by opening price or the previous closing price changes. Okay, so let me just show you that. So as you can see here, the Tata Motors and S Bank are in the top two. Once if I change the option from close to open price, you know, the price changes and the percentage also changes, if you guys can see here. Okay, so if I click on open price, you know, the percentage will change, and if you click on close price, the percentage will change here. And here comes the change format. If you want to show in percentage change or only the price change. Okay, so here you can see minus, Tata Motors is minus 4.99%. So if you don't want to see by percentage, if you want to see only by price, then click on absolute. It will show how much price movement it has given. Okay, 6.55 rupees is a movement, but if you want in percentage, you can change it in a percentage also. Okay, percentage or the absolute value, you can switch like that also. Okay, and next things comes about the option here, show direction, show change and show holdings. Okay, so this also can be customized. So as you can see here, you can see a little arrow. Okay, so you can see if the stock is going up, it will point towards upside. If it's coming down, it will point towards downside. If I don't want to see that, I can just untick it and that will disappear. And now let's say you guys don't have to see or if you don't like to see this percentage change, you can make that also disappear by just clicking this button. Okay, if you click that, you can't see that changes. Okay, so these are the little options what you get to customize your watch list. And before I tell you about other tricks and tips, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. Okay, and once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I will be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also, if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also, if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. And also, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now let's continue with the next step. Okay, so that is, you can see here at the top I've added Nifty and Sensex. Okay, so these are the market changes what I can see here. So now let's say I don't want to add Nifty here and I have to change it here. Okay, so if you want to add any stock for your top left on your Zerodha screen, you can add it. So you can just customize this. So let me just show you how. So let's say you have to add Tata Motors to your list there. So just go near that stock and click on more option. And once you click on more option, you can see pin option here. So click on that pin 1. So pin 1 will replace here. Okay, so that's how it is done. And if you want to add it to the right side, then click on pin 2, that will add it to your right side. You can add 2 stocks to your list there. Okay, if you are tracking any stock and if you want to see any stock inside, and you can customize there. Okay, I always add Nifty 50 there because I can come to know what percentage the market is in, and I can quickly take a glance what is happening in the market there. Okay, so that's the second trick. And now let's come to the third trick, that is using multiple charts. Okay, so a lot of people has this question, like how can they see multiple stocks in their single window? Okay, so that can be done easily. So just go to display here, and here you can see an option called as multiple charts here. Okay, so here you can see the option of multiple charts, that is you can see 2 charts or the 4 chart options. Okay, so 2 chart will make it appear 2 charts, and 4 charts will make appear 4 charts. Okay, so let's say you have to see the 2 charts, so click on 2 charts. Here you can add whatever stock you want. For example, let's say you have to add Hindalco to your chart 1, and the chart 2 you want to add any other stock. Okay, or let's say you have to monitor your Nifty 50 market chart also, and you have to compare with your stock chart also. That can be done. Let's say you have to add Nifty 50 chart, just type index here and you get Nifty 50. Just click that, and after that just select done. So here multiple chart will open here. Okay, and you can do the customization here also, like if you want to watch this in 5 minute 15 minutes chart, and if you want Nifty 50 in 5 minutes chart, you can keep different kind of indicators for this. You can keep different kind of time frame for this and this separately. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is an Hindalco chart and this is Nifty 50 chart what we are observing. Okay, so let me tell you, like if I want to add some indicators here for Hindalco, so just go to studies and add whatever indicator you want. Let's say you have to add MACD here, so you can add MACD for this Hindalco here and click on done. And for Nifty 50 chart, if you want to add any other things like Bollinger Band, so click on that and it will get applied. So yes, you can see it in different indicators and studies also. So this is a very useful thing. Okay, so if you're using multiple chart, this thing is very useful. Okay, and now let's talk about customization in Zerodha. Okay, so let me just show you that. Let me go to display here, and this is a normal thing what you're seeing. And if I click on night here, so yes, so you can see this kind of appearance. Okay, so now let's say you have to customize, you have to put your own color candle and own background color. You can do this too. Okay, so let me just go to display and put default day theme, and after that if you scroll down, you can see an option called as new theme here. Okay, so if you click that new theme option, you can make your own theme. Okay, you can keep whatever background color you like. You can customize your background color, as you can see here. Okay, so you can customize whatever color you want for your background, and here you can change the candle colors also. As you can see, red colors are now in red. I can change it to this color, or if I want the green colors to change to blue color, I can do that. So yes, in the background you guys can see the candle colors are now changed. Okay, so you can do this customization in your Zerodha chat. Okay, so guys, keep in mind that Zerodha has two kind of chat, that is Chat IQ and the TradingView chat. So the chat what I'm using right now is Chat IQ. Okay, so both are having the same capabilities, so I prefer to use Chat IQ because I'm using this from the first, and this chat is more better and clean. Okay, and other tricks and tips are that, so if you want to trade in any stock, and if you click buy or sell, your order window will open like this, correct? So let's say you have to put MIS order, and you can replace this window wherever you want. You can place this window wherever you want. Okay, you can place it upside, downside, left, right, wherever you want you can keep. And also recently Zerodha has made a new update, as you guys can see here. You can do it in NSE or BSE also. Okay, you can just select it here. If you want to trade in BSE stock, you can just select BSE and you can trade in BSE stock, and if you want to trade in NSE, you can just click NSE stock. And in the same way, let's say you have selected buy for VDS stock, just for example I'm telling you, you have selected buy, and suddenly your mind changes that you have to sell a stock. So you don't have to cancel this and again click on sell here. Okay, so you can easily switch it. Let's say you're in a buy window and your mind says you have to sell a stock, so just click this button. So if you click this button, it will toggle from buy to sell. Okay, so this little button what you can see here, you can just click that and that will change from buy to sell. So if you're in sell now and you want to buy, just click this button and it will change to buy. Okay, so these are the little tricks and tips in Zerodha Kite, which will be helpful for your trading and for customization. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.